Assalamu alaikum, Bu Muhammad Jawad, Pakistan Bey, Tayyip Recep Erdogan, Yürekten hoş geldiniz.
Assalamualaikum, this is Nadia Jawad from Pakistan. I would like to welcome the president of our Muslim brother country Turkey and the true leader of Muslim Ummah, Mr. Recep Tayyip Erdogan to Pakistan, and we are so excited to have you in Pakistan, and Turkish people have very special place in our hearts, and welcome, sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Tihami Muhammad and I love Mr. Erdogan because I love him the most and he's super close to my heart because I love Imran Khan, and thank you Imran Khan for making this all happen, and thank you Mr. Erdogan for coming. Zindabad Pakistan, Zindabad Mr. Erdogan, Zindabad Turkish, Zindabad Imran Khan. Thank you. Bye.